Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about symptom relief or actually repairing an ED problem. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. There's a big difference between symptom relief and actually repairing an underlying problem. For example, an aspirin works generally really great for a headache or muscle pain. But what if you have headaches or body pain every day? Then it actually becomes necessary to deal with the underlying causes of the problem, not just symptom relief. And as a well-known example, erectile dysfunction medication works only as symptom relief. So why is it important to repair the underlying causes of ED? It's because erectile dysfunction can be a warning sign for future heart attacks or even strokes. And that's why repairing the underlying problem is so important. And that underlying repair is what nitric oxide therapy does as delivered by proarginine. So take a look at the links below this video to get a more complete picture of how this repair process works. Now is the time to take control of your health. If you have any questions about those videos or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. To view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of these two video links above. Again, thanks for stopping by and have a great day.